Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to have you here, and today we are going to make a cinnamon almond granola bar. Looks like you really like the granola bar recipes, and I'm getting a lot of response on Instagram. And if you want to see what projects or recipes I'm working on, definitely follow me on my Instagram. Here is the link. If you are new to this channel, I am sharing recipe videos with you, all keto, low carb and clean eating recipes. I am doing weight loss and weight loss journey videos of me and my husband, and we give keto tips and products we like to use, and this is the channel about. So if you like what you see, stick around and hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's head into making the granola bar. Very first step, to preheat your oven to 135 Celsius for what is exactly that much Fahrenheit. You need 1 cup of almonds, 1 tablespoon of grounded psyllium seeds, 3 tablespoons of melted grass-fed butter, 4 tablespoons of melted unflavored coconut oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 tablespoons of monkfruit or the choice of your sweetener. And now we just mix them together. Alright, we will have the food processor with the spatula. And if you find that it's a bit dry, like in my case, like it's not sticking together, then you can add extra coconut oil. And I will add 2 more tablespoons of coconut oil. And now we mix it together. Very good. And at this point you can add your almond butter to this. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of almond butter. This is unsweetened almond butter. And everything I use will be in the description box below, so you can buy it for yourself from Amazon. Very good. And as you see, we got a really nice sticky dough. You can make, it's really sticking together. Very good. At this point, you very carefully remove the knife from the food processor. And now I will add some of these sliced up almonds. I will add 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to use the spatula to mix it together. If you want, you can add some berries maybe into this, some dried blueberries, as you wish. But we just keep at the almond cinnamon. Okay, good. This is very good, and this is ready to go into the oven. You need a tray like this and some baking paper, and we're going to put the dough into here. And then you use your hands and fingers to press this down as much as possible and as flat as you can. Very good. This is how it looks. It's pressed together and down, and now it's going to go into the oven. Okay, so now these are ready to go into the oven, and we will put this baby in there. Here you go. Very good. And we bake these for 35 minutes. Alright, the granola bars are done. And we will take them out. So here is the granola bar, and it's still very soft when you take it out. Don't worry about that, just leave it outside and let it fully cool down, and it will harden. It takes about an hour, and then we can slice this up. We are going to make vanilla chocolate type of creamy topping or bottom to this granola bar, and I will show you how to do that. You need a bowl, and you need about 3/4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Alright, so this is 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, and now we will put this into the microwave for about 10 seconds to melt it. Okay, here we go. It's nicely melted, and you just mix it together. And we will add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, like about that much, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of monkfruit or the choice of your sweetener. Depends on how sweet you like this. Okay, so you mix this nicely together, and we are going to dip our granola bars into this one, and I will show you how you do it. Alright, our granola is fully cool down and is solid hard. And now we will slice it up like this. Very good. And now you will take the cream we made, you pick up one of the granola, you turn to the back and put this on the back like if it would be chocolate, like 2 tablespoons on each. And then we put it back and we just let it set when we put it in the fridge. On this one I will do the top and just put this on the top and leave it set. On this one I will do the back. And you can just play around. You don't even have to do this if you don't feel up to it. It's just a bit more fun, gives a little bit more texture to it. And now we will put this into the fridge and let it set. And now I will use a little bit more almond to decorate the ones what is with the front, and then you can just sprinkle some almonds on it. Okay, this is the cinnamon granola bars, and now this we will go into the fridge until the cream fully firms on top. These are out of the fridge. You can see that the cream firmed quite good. It's not dropping anymore or anything. It looks really yummy, but it's a bit sticky, so I think it's better to put it on the top. And on this too I will top it off with extra almond like here. So now we have basically with cream or without cream. You have to see how you like it, and the calorie data is on the screen. Okay guys, here are the granola bars. They look super yummy, and you have with cream and extra almonds or without. Everybody can find what they like. And probably there will be more granola recipes. I am really in love with granola and it's just so good. I hope you also like this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.